Right guys, this is the old head shed, and unfortunately we've come to that moment where we're going to try and see if it starts up without bursting into flames. So this is the first burst into flames video. Take one. It's definitely a neutral, isn't it? Yeah, that's neutral, yeah. Right, let's see what do you think? Petrol flooding everywhere? Oh, hear that? Hemorrhaging. It's coming out that. It's coming out of them pipe unions. It's coming out of this union that I get the feeling has sort of got rammed round. Where it is, it's the union against the block. That one. Yeah. Where I come.
That doesn't look like it's seated so
What the pipe?
yeah.
Alright, well then, you'd have to loosen the 13mm, pull that round a bit and see whether it is. Second time, we'll try again.
Just obviously, the reason why the video cut out last time was because there was an
oil
oil
leak.
leak, as you heard him shouting, oil leak, oil
Have you
leak.
tightened that top housing up?
Yeah, so I've tightened,
Have you tightened the 13?
Yes, so we've addressed all of the issues with the oil leak, and you think we might have got to the bottom of that. So now we're going to do the first start, take two.
Yeah. First start.
1.5 start.
Yeah, 1.5 start, take two. So we got battery on, we got battery in the car.
You can see if your charging light goes up.
First burst into flames, part 2. Hold on. I think we got this fuel with something. I love it when a car doesn't come together. Well, that seems a bit strange. She's pretty dry there, mate. That one ain't. That one isn't.
Got fuel in the filter. Pump sounds a lot louder though.
No, that's alright.
Obviously before it was...
Hang on a minute here. We're getting a... That's loose. So the throttle's loose on the spigot. Yeah? You see what I'm saying here? So that didn't get tight inside, did it?
No.
No. It's very strange. She's not even making an effort. She seems pretty dry to me. Like, it's dry. She's not I mean, obviously I can't do that choke and do that throttle at the same time.
You want to turn it over?
Say again.
You want me to turn it over?
Go on, then you turn it over and I'll try and do the bits that need doing. Go on, go. Go. Stop. Well, I'd say now, and I'm going to say this one is flooded to buggery. Obviously, when you put that choke on, it seems to flood up really nicely. That one, there's a pool of petrol in it you could drown in. So turn the ignition off, and let's just have a look at a pluggy wuggy. Where did that come off? It came off really well. Car trouble. Stinks of it. I thought it looked like it was dry. Now I think it looks like it's soaked.
But on the plus side,
yeah.
No more oil leaks.
Yeah, on the good side. Yeah. Mind you, we haven't set time in. Done loads of things. Black soot, sooty to buggery, sooty and sweet there. I mean, they're not wet though. That's what I don't understand. There's definitely a lot. I mean, there is definitely a cranking live, isn't there? Because I don't know. I'm just a bit dubious now. Well, there's something to give me. I've got petrol pouring out here. I've got petrol dripping out of this one. It's like they're overfilled. The cars are overfilled. I don't know. I think, right, I mean that is dripping fuel. I mean that's fucking dripping out of there. Which sort of makes you think that float level's wrong. Plus it's weeping at the top here. So, you know, I am thinking to myself, give it a second. Let's leave it for a little while. And then what we'll do is we'll come back for a second, like a third crank. It's amazing how it started the first time with an oil leak, and now it won't start. So we'll come back to that in a moment. Third and final time. If it doesn't start this time, I'm packing it in behind the pickup. Getting off. Well, what was I going to say? A couple of things. First one, do you know what I didn't like?
No.
Well, what do you think I didn't like?
The noise.
Yeah, I think we're going to need an exhaust pipe.
Yeah, I reckon so.
I think we're going to need an exhaust. But that did sound like it was running on 6 cylinders.